25th March, 25th November 2010, ENPO memorandum this Frontier Nagaland State. To amagan committee ekta banai fact finding aru recommendation DB koigena chief secretary pra ekta committee kothai senior officers pra. Then one senior officer who was commissioner secretary to that department, he was also member, and the present chief secretary Jani Alam also member. So korikena fact to it was. Aru takhan population, Naga population de 50% ase. That is wrong. Only 28.88, not 50%. Land be 50% as well. It is only 33%. That's also including all Sumis in the history. Government servant day 3% as well. There is 17%. Police Milaili 21%. That is also excluding VG 9,000 plus. Aro itaka hoigena Taikan laga MLA State Kuradem de Poila Amikan Regional Council de 36 members lagi. Aro MLA de hoile khali 20 tahi dishi. Kintu 60 house de Takan laga population 28.88. 20 by they are enjoying 33%. They are enjoying more than they deserve. You know, so analysis korikena dish. Takan deficiency to Amagan government support order. Infrastructure de deficiency. Infrastructure development. NPO de Takan literacy rate comtias. So education we should support. Institution people lagi. Balbara support people lagi. Third point hole healthcare. Healthcare computer ase. Itu medical facilities. Aro people lagi. Itu para monte medical college sector dikena Julia ase. Aro coordination per capita income de ENPO area to lower than the rest of the state. Itu para Taikan logadi livelihood. Kitaka farmers income increase krobo. Itu support krobo. Aro itu kan deficiency ni bide. Government job kamti hua ni bide. Backward reservation out of 37, about 25 to ENPO ke disho 25% to backward kada. Aru merit para olai to itu count no hai. Merit list de ajale you will get plus. Aru itu piche di 25% aru bara. That's why they are growing very fast. Itaka hoigena amakan support koras. Olivi takan Nograr asset in within Judy. Government of Indivi state no hobo, Union territory no hobo, 6 children no hobo, tribal asset. Kindu state government recommend koradishana. Itu autonomous council divo kuledo diopar. So we are not against ENPO getting autonomous body because we had recommended we'll never go back. Kindu tadi mangado Amakanto state nijire na thakibo governor nijire thakibo. Governor rule banabo, governor paisa dibo, report delivery governor through president of India logone jabo. Aro governor to go between the state and the ENPO, Frontier Nagaland Territory Authority, FNTA. It would no, nothing to do with governor. This is the biggest country in the world, India. Aro, the elected people are supreme. Elected government is supreme. So governor Nambara, governor pleasure bra, it appointment dishe, it get transfer kore. Kintu file doesn't go to him. Aro, Nagaland state ke permanent president's rule te governor niche de rakhi dibo gale do, itu to dikdara sa to. No. So, and no amendment of Constitution, Article 371A. Kini bide itu 371A to amendment kurugale Parliament ke lo jabo. Then Parliament will repeal the law, that article. Kilai dibo. Because central policy to common civil court, uniform civil court. Ekta country ase, ekta law. Aru amakan itu lo jale takan, itu nari bukan, itu sab suri bukan. Kiti bhi pass na ho. So, India, Thailand boycott call करसे, appeal भी देशे, आज भी चेवा appeal देशे, आमी भी appeal, कौन platform होती हुई इधर participate करो लगे। Government of India लोगों ने भी बिहार पावो, state government लोगों ने भी बिहार पावो, तो कौन लोगों ने negotiation करेंगे ना अपना grievance कथा को इधर तक चिट्ठी लिखा तो election commission लोगों ने लिखे किंतु election commission तो तक लाभ grievance शामिल नहीं है इतने में if all of us we have friends with the ENPO brothers तक की पूजा लगे itu anger para, khong para, itu ekku decision lo na re. Itu para manu ke jokhom na ho, nijer jokhom. So it is our common appeal to them that they should review the decision. They jakarabi ho ne. We don't want that problem. Itu immediate. Collectively, we should appeal, we should talk to them. We are interested, Angua, into all Nagaland Gazetted Officers Association, Kali, all the Amagan Puti, Rotakan Give Gujar. Aru, it is the election code of conduct, campaign Korasi. Takan ke Matikana meeting Gorilla, it will be code of conduct against me jabo kare aro takan bi kiba ako itu talk to continue grow gale to then popular government has to be installed. You cannot itu gold day malik nai aro apni case ekta loigina tar laga 7 logade boikena case la kotha to nagobo. So everything has a time. Collectively, let us work for the unity of the Nagas and for solution. And to bring unity, the right person should go to Parliament to speak for people. For my appeal, party appeal, PDA alliance, 60 MLAs, political parties appeal, public rumade cause. Sob manu, itu consensus candidate DB and show that Nagas are united. And elected member in the parliament.